How to lock apps with Face ID on iPhone iOS 18. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock any app with Face ID on your iPhone using iOS 18. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, find the app you want to lock on your home screen. Long press the app icon to reveal the menu. Next, tap Require Face ID or Require Touch ID on Touch ID devices. iOS will ask for confirmation. Tap Require Face ID again to lock your app and perform a quick Face ID scan. Now, your app is locked, and its content won't appear in notification previews or spotlight search. To remove Face ID protection, long press the app again. Tap Don't Require Face ID. Authenticate with Face ID, and the protection will be removed. And that's how you can lock and unlock apps with Face ID on iOS 18. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.